ready for another experiment? Okay, so what have we noticed so far? We noticed that it seems like there are these tiny things around, like in your sneeze, that can grow into big, slimy, smelly things. Or sometimes fuzzy green things. But not all the time. But it does seem like they're growing, doesn't it, baby girl? So I was thinking we could... Oh, what are you doing, baby? We could... We're just so darn cute. So I was thinking we could try some different kinds of food. You know how, like, plants need certain things to eat, to grow? Maybe these actually do grow, but they're like plants, they just need certain things. Just like you need certain things to grow. So I made some kind of like jelly type things that we can touch. And we can touch different things on them. Ready? I'm going to tip it like this. Kind of neat, huh? What does it smell like? It should smell... What does it smell like? It should smell like potatoes. Does it smell like potato at all? Does it smell like potato? Okay, so I'm going to open this up because this is Mommy's yeast. Not like from me, but like bread yeast. And, oh, I do not know where to put this.
Hey, Mom.
What? Oh, is it leaking? Here, let me open it up for you. Ooh, look at that. Oh, my goodness. That beautiful yeast. All right, so you can take this toothpick. You okay doing that? Yeah?
Put it in here?
Yeah, just dip it in there. All right, pull it out. What do you see? Nothing. Just drop it on there. Yep, you can grab it again. Yep. Yeah, you don't even need to stab it, really. You can just touch it.
Touch what?
Yeah, do it again. Very good.
I want to dump it on the table.
No, please don't dump it on the table, honey. It's the best.
No, I don't want you to.
Oh, okay, then I won't. All right.
You're dumping it on.
Well, then I'll clean it up, sweetheart. Thank you for letting me know. And then we can do other things besides the yeast. So, if you want, thank you. You're done. You got it. So Mommy found some fuzzy stuff
Here.
growing. Oh, thank you. Growing on the mushrooms. Did you want to try the fuzzy stuff? Okay, I'll try the fuzzy stuff. Myself a nice toothpick. I have no idea what's going to happen here. I don't know what this is. But I'm going to get just a tiny bit. You can't see it, right? Okay. Because, you know, we both noticed that there seems to be something really tiny that can grow really big if you give it some food and some time.
Good.
Okay, I need you to do one last thing for me, baby. Can you put your finger on there?
No.
Yes, you can. One finger. Fine, I'll do it. Here, hold this.
So.
Okay, I'm going to see how dirty Mommy's fingers are. I love you, baby.
You got to wash your hands.
I sure do.
I don't want to
do a different finger here.
Slimy.
Slimy? Are you sure you want to feel how it feels? It's really slimy. Kind of neat.
I'm worried about it.
You're worried
Kind
about it?
of
Give me one finger. One
selfie.
finger. Miss flails a lot. One finger. Nice work.
Ah.
Is it slimy?
Ow.
All right. All right, let's go wash our hands. Beautiful. Thank you for your help.